For today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your username in Windows 10 or 11. To do that, simply click the Start button, then click on Settings. After that, go to System File, go to the bottom part of the option list, then click on About. Now you can see your PC name, and below you can see Rename PC button. Go ahead and click that. You can rename your PC according to your choice. You can name it whatever you want. Then after that, just click the Next button. It will take a moment to complete the progress. After that, you can now restart your PC or restart later. And there you have it. Easy as 1, 2, 3, right? And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.